behind the scenes.
I got this. Let's go. Let's go again, man. I got my lighter. So I can smoke some weed and get some high with them bitches. Oh my god, man. Oh, I got some condoms, cause apparently women don't like being fucked without a condom. Otherwise it's called raw dog. Oh man, I got paper. I got, what's this? $5? After I make this video, man, I'm going to fucking McDonald's, man. I make it rain on them hoes, bitch. Oh, what? I'm so fresh. These pants, man. You know how much they cost me? It cost me $10. $10 at the Target. Yo, man, but it's okay. See, America. You know why I have a America hat? Because I believe in America. Let's pick up my money. Let's pick it up with my ass cheeks, because I'm a stripper. I can't do that. That's too hard. Okay. Let's see. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, lighter, condom. I don't need this. I ain't fucking no bitch.
Smallest condom.
Okay, I don't smoke weed, and I don't even need this money. I think I'm gonna go give it to charity. That's what I'm doing this rap thing for. You know, I'm an original gangster. Yeah. Call me OG Juice Daddy. Yeah. You know why they call me that? Oh man. It's fucking... Never mind. Just cut it.